So here's the thing about directional error rule. It's kind of a paradox because, and this is why so many tutorials are shit, right? It's because there's one way to learn it in a theoretical world, and then there's the practice of learning it and teaching it, right? So in theory, if you were a robot, you would have to learn all of the inputs of the joystick for each angle of the revolution of the car. But when you do that, it becomes exponential. So in theory, that's correct, but because we're not robots, because we're humans, we try to find constants and support within, a hard subject. And how do we do that? Well, we try to find repeating patterns, and there comes the utility of the neutral revolution, which is when the hood is facing you, right? So that's kind of a paradox, because the way we learn it is not the way that we would be perfect at it, because the way we'd be perfect at it, we would not be able to learn it that way unless we were robots. So I'm guessing the more talent you have, the more inputs you know within the revolution, and there's not a lot of people who know that many inputs, because again it becomes exponential. So yeah, that's kind of a paradox of directional error rule. There's the way we should learn it and the way we actually learn it and teach it, which is using the neutral revolution. One of the most frequently asked questions is, what do I do when I'm in between the revolution? Well, theoretically you should learn what the inputs do, but in reality what you should do is always anticipate, so that whatever you need to do, you do it when the revolution is neutral. And there comes the skill of anticipation and optimization. Not that hard, but not that simple. That's the paradox about it.